Hey everyone, Taylor here with Neville Motors, taking you for a walk around this 2017 Buick Envision Essence. This model does have front-wheel drive, a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, and just under 11,000 miles. Seen here, black on black, really a great looking vehicle in the premium crossover segment. Compared to a GMC Terrain or a Chevy Equinox, this is going to be a little bit larger, a little bit wider, and a little bit longer. You'll notice that length in a couple different spots. One's going to be here in the back, a little bit more cargo room, as well as you do have the automatic liftgate. Does come standard as well with remote start, chrome exhaust tip, and premium interior. Wheels are all in great shape and looking good. As we open up the door, you'll be able to see that jet black interior, leather appointed door panels with some nice wood trim here on the side. So we jump in here, 10,000, let's see what that says, 747 miles. Steering wheel controls. I mean, this vehicle with only 10,000 miles on it is in great shape. Now, as we look at the screen, I want to show you a few different things. First is going to be that this vehicle does come equipped with Sirius XM, Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, but the main one that's really nice is going to be that third one from the left on the top, and that's going to be projection. Projection is going to give you the ability to link your phone screen right up onto the vehicle. Just turn that down so you don't have to listen to the air go. Whether it is Apple or Android, that will go on. Your Google Maps will show up, your Apple Maps, Waze, Spotify, Pandora, really whatever you want to listen to, this will show. Below that, we do have dual zone climate control with heated seats on here, with an auto and sync feature for both of that. As I turn the vehicle around, or turn the camera around, and see up, see if you can see that massive sunroof. It doesn't do it justice to show how far back that really goes. Now, in the back seat, I am just about 6 feet tall, 5'11" and a half. And you can see that there is plenty of legroom behind here. And this is where you're going to notice the difference between a Chevy Equinox or a Terrain, is really in this back seat space. Over here, they also do have their own heated seats as well as their own climate control. Of course, leather appointed seats for the rear passengers and a pull-down armrest. These seats also do, by just grabbing down here, do fold down completely flat and lock in place so that you have extended cargo space as well. If you or someone you know is interested in this 2017 Buick Envision, please feel free to reach out at 715-256-2900 or check us out at NevilleMotorsGM.com. Thanks.